Hello there and welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how can you reset your Reddit password in some very easy steps. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this video. Step 1. Open Google Chrome and search Reddit password. The first thing you have to do is open your browser and search Reddit password there and simply click to the reset your password option here. Then it will lead you to Reddit's reset password tab. Step 2. Reset your password. After redirecting to Reddit's Reset Your Password tab, it will ask for your username and email address. You just simply have to enter your username and email address in this two box given below. Tap to Reset Password button. After tapping Reset Password button, it will send an email to reset your password in your mailbox. Step 3. Verify the email and reset the password. After sending password reset email, you just simply have to open your mailbox and open the email. And there you will find this button to reset the password. You just simply have to tap this reset password button here. And it will lead you to a new tab where you can set your new password and verify the password. You just simply have to enter your new password in the box given below. And simply click to set password button. Congratulations, you have successfully reset your Reddit password. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video. We'll keep making this kind of helpful contents for you in the future, so make sure to subscribe to never miss another update from this channel. We'll meet in another video. Till then, be safe and keep loving the tech.